Hi students, today we are going to see about the life cycle of a silkworm. In last our part we studied about the wool, and today this is the second important natural fiber which we get from an insect, a silkworm, that only we are going to learn. In the life cycle of a silkworm, total 4 important stages are there, that is the egg, larva or caterpillar, and then pupa, and fourth one is a adult silk moth. Here you can see in our video the hatching process of the eggs. Here so many tiny small white color eggs are present, and from one of the egg, like this way, slowly the caterpillar or larva comes out in after the hatching of the egg, and these all very small tiny size larva or caterpillar continuously starts to eat the mulberry leaves. Mulberry is a one type of a plant, and mainly all these silkworms feeds on these mulberry leaves. And after the birth, immediately these silkworms, means this caterpillar stage, in the caterpillar stage these silkworms are very greedy, and with a very fast speed they starts to eat all the mulberry leaves. And the second stage is a caterpillar stage, and after that the third stage is a pupa stage. To that we are saying the cocoon stage or the chrysalis stage. But in between the caterpillar to cocoon stage, here the four molts, means four molting processes. The caterpillar goes under four molting processes. First, let us understand molting means what. Here you can see the first molting. In this first molting, what happens, mainly due to the increase in the weight and size of the body, the caterpillar tries to loosen its skin, and they shed off their old skin and gets the new skin. Why? Because with very fast speed they are eating all the leaves, and their body size is continuously increasing. So after the birth of the sixth day, the second molt, the caterpillars are getting ready for second molt. And here you can see now, from the birth to up to the sixth day, so much increase is happening in their body weight and size. Okay, and that's why whatever the old skin is present, that a little bit tight for them, so they are trying to shed off that old skin and getting the new skin. To that only we are saying the molting process. Then now here carefully you observe, student, this is a second molting process going on. Means here second time this caterpillar shedding off their old skin and getting the new skin. And what is the reason behind that? Why these four molting processes are necessary? Because continuously how the days passes, as per that their growth is happening very fast, and their body size, length and weight also increasing. That's why they are shedding off and loosening their old skin and getting the new skin. Then after the 10th day, again these silkworms, means this caterpillar, now still they are present in the caterpillar stage. Okay, and again they are getting ready for the third molt. Means here up to the 21 day, these caterpillars are completing total 4 molting processes. Okay, here see, naturally in our area now silkworms are not present. So with the help of this video only, carefully you observe this video and try to understand the life process of this silk moth. Now see here, again their growth, you can carefully, if you will observe, you can understand how their length and the body size is increasing slowly. Now here the third molting is going on. Slowly this caterpillar shedding off again one time, it's a skin. Okay, and now 12th day of the silkworm, again still up to the 12th day, these insects are very greedy and they are eating with a very fast speed these all leaves, and that's why their growth also in that only speed, their growth is also happening very fast, and their body size, length, everything is increasing very fast. And like this way, this caterpillars undergoes the total 4 molting processes before reaching to the pupa stage. Then in this third pupa stage, mainly what these caterpillars are doing? Now here just from the birth up to the 21 day, continuously only two things are happening in their life. First one is eating only the mulberry leaves with a very fast speed. Their body length, size and weight increasing very fast, and up to the fourth molting process they are shedding off their old skin 4 times. Okay, and after the fourth molting completion only they are reaching, means after 22nd day only they are reaching to their next stage, that is a pupa stage. Okay, then here in the pupa stage, first what they does, they use a net to hold themselves around them, and this pupa stage is very important stage in the caterpillar's life. Then this pupa stage, when it comes in their life after completion of 22 or 23 days. Here after completion of 22-23 days, slowly their rate of eating or their speed of eating of the leaves slowly decreases, and they starts to the next stage, that is a pupa stage. Here first they use a net to hold themselves, and then this caterpillar swings its head from side to side in the form of the figure of 8. All of you know in the maths 8 digit. Then same way in the shape of a 8 they are trying to swing their head in the pupa stage, and continuously what they are doing in that stage, one net-like structure they are forming around them. And this net-like structure, how can they form? This is one question. Yes, then now let me explain about that. During these movements when they are swinging their head continuously, here also you can see how their movement very fast it is happening, and in the form of 8 figure they are doing. Here this caterpillar secretes a protein fiber like structure, and this protein fibers which comes out from their head, that when it comes near in contact with the air it hardens and becomes the silk fiber, and this only silk fibers are they wrapping around themselves and covering their body, and in this pupa stage they are going in the rest condition. But though they are resting here inside that pupa stage in the cocoon, to this covering only we are saying the cocoon. Okay, whatever the silk fiber covering present around their body, to that only we are saying the cocoon. Then the further development of the pupa into the moth, continuously it is going on inside the cocoon. Here in the video you can observe how their body shape is changing, some particular organs development going on inside the cocoon, and when these all organs are totally developed inside the cocoon, that time only, after few days only, this adult silk moth emerges from the cocoon, and that time you can see the changes in the body of that silk, means caterpillar to the adult. Here in the adult silk moth they are getting the legs, again the wings,